Computer.
My God.
Maharastane akho. See, now I hit record and the first sentence out of my mouth is Maharastane. So now anybody who sees the recording, that's the first thing they're going to hear. But they never saw his action, which made me say that. Chhod away. Set 2, question 1. Niji star par, Swara, that's your question?
Yes, I'm going to begin and then Kajal Akhilesh will follow.
Okay. Super. Please start.
So, मैंने 4 साल पहले पहचान प्रोग्राम ज्वाइन किया था और हर साल मैं ऐसे कंटिन्यू करती हूँ क्योंकि ये कोई आम कॉलेज प्रोग्राम की तरह नहीं है. बिफोर आई ज्वाइन पहचान मुझे कभी नहीं लगा था कि मैं इतने सारे बच्चों से बात करूंगी, उन्हें इतना कुछ सिखाऊंगी और मैं खुद इनसे इतना कुछ सीखूंगी. हर साल पहचान में एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस होता है, इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस होता है, लीडरशिप सेशंस होते हैं और स्लम विजिट्स होते हैं. इन चीजों से बहुत कुछ सीखने मिलता है. जब मैं उन बच्चों को सिखाती हूँ, मैं खुद बहुत कुछ अपने आप ही सीखती हूँ. इसीलिए मुझे हर साल पहचान प्रोग्राम प्रेरित करता है इस प्रोग्राम में कंटिन्यू करने के लिए.
Okay. Swara, I need you to add more to your answer, I feel. But let's hear what Kajal has to say. Kajal, why do you keep coming back to Pehchan?
पहचान में पहले मैं पार्टिसिपेंट बन करके आई थी. वहां पे मैंने इतनी सारी चीजें सीखी, जैसे कि लोगों से बातचीत कैसे करनी है, नए दोस्त कैसे बनाने हैं, कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे आता है. पहले मुझ में बिल्कुल भी कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था कि मैं 2 लोगों से बात कर सकती थी, लेकिन अभी मैं आज आप सभी लोगों के सामने, इतने सारे लोगों के सामने बातें कर रही हूँ. मुझे स्टेज फियर था. मुझे काफी कुछ चीजें पहचान से सीखने मिली जो स्कूल में मैंने कभी नहीं सीखी थी या उससे मेरा कभी एक्सपोजर नहीं हुआ था. इसके लिए फिर पहचान में मैं दूसरे साल फिर बच्चों को सिखाने आई. जो सारी चीजें मैंने खुद सीखी थी, मैं चाहती थी कि दूसरे बच्चे भी सीखें. इसलिए मैं पहचान में हर बार आते गई और हर बार पहचान का लेवल बढ़ता गया. मैं हर बार आती हूँ और हर बार मैं कुछ नई चीजें सीखती हूँ. अभी मैं फिलहाल इस बार मैं 4th बार आई हूँ और यहाँ पे मैं सीनियर चेंज मेकर हूँ अभी इस साल की. तो मैं हर साल नई नई चीजें सीखती हूँ और एक्सपोजर मेरा काफी बढ़ता है पहचान में आने के बाद.
So Kajal, nothing about your answer is helpful information.
Okay.
Nothing. Everything you have said are filler words. Kids, this is a super important leadership learning. I mean, this is the same feedback I gave Nafisa on day 1 of coaching. They're all filler words. They haven't given me any information. For example, हर साल नई नई चीजें सीखने को मिलते हैं. Great. What नई चीजें? How do you level up each year? And how has that level up translated in your everyday life? The other thing is, जैसे कि confidence मिलता है, ठीक है, confidence मिलता है, but again, how has having that confidence helped you? How is it translating into making you a successful person in your everyday life or in your soon to be career?
Okay.
Exposure का benefit मिलता है. Exposure मतलब what type of exposure have you received and what benefit have you received from that type of exposure? Everything you have said to me right now has been day 1 ka coaching, which I said don't do. And we are on day 3.
Yes.
All filler words, no value has been offered to the audience in that. 0. Swara, let's go back to how you answered. You gave a lot of value. You said a lot of pertinent things in terms of the application process, but somewhere it needs to come across, because you have said this to me also, that it's not like your everyday program, right? Maybe I'm not using your exact words, but essentially what I have understood is, because there's an application process, because there's an interview process, because there are leadership training sessions after which we cut our list, then there is a then there is a slum visit after which we cut our list. So all the while, and I keep telling you all, right, we are the company we keep. all the while you realize you're not with a group of youth who are just in it to have it on their CV, or you're not with a group of youth who are just in it to be cool. You are keeping company with the kids who share the same values as you do. Right? This is what I keep hearing all of you say. And the other thing is, at such a young age, you start to see the power you have to influence change. I mean, Swara, you tell me, right? Oh my gosh, I got to do this. I got to do this. That's one side of it. The other side of it, like what Kajal was, I think, trying to say with exposure, is that in this coaching of how do I present myself in an interview, now all of a sudden this training she will translate to when she goes for a job interview, right? Or when she grows well enough in a career where she can start interviewing people. So you're getting real life skill leadership development also, while changing the country and the community. So Swara, all those pieces need to come into kind of what you're saying. Kajal, you need to give far more specifics. In like if I was talking from your perspective, the fact that you were so emotional when you didn't win the year that you were the participant, but when you came back as a leader, when you came back as a mentor, you started realizing that those kids, those girls who had won, they really haven't elevated their lives the way you have elevated your life. By coming back, by building those core competency skills within you, your English, your ability to speak English, read English, write English, being around kids like Swara, Mohammed, Akhilesh, Nafisa, Keisha, we are the company we keep. And that you have got on this path like, yes, okay, yes, Priya said I should do law, but yes, I believe I can do law. I believe I can dream big. I believe it is possible. You have to connect with the audience. Y'all ask me all the time, and Mohammed had said to me, but ma'am, people can connect to you when you talk. Well, they can connect to me when I talk because I'm speaking from here and I'm giving them information of value. Like, oh, Kajal, you've heard me talk about you when I talk about you to other people and you are around me. You've heard me say things like, yes, she did finish from Colaba Municipal School, but she went to HR college. She was in the top 10% of her class at HR college. She didn't know what an elocution competition was. In the first elocution competition, she dressed like this, she spoke like this. She didn't rank, but by the time she got to the third elocution competition, she enrolled herself. I was still in America. She won a prize. All of a sudden, aren't you interested in that story when I'm talking about it? Look at Mohammed. He's leaned fully into the screen to be like, wow, she enrolled herself in the third elocution competition and she got a prize. And you were in America. That means you never wrote it for her. Tell your story. Tell your story. You, Nafisa, Akhilesh are success stories. Tell your stories. How is it that I can tell your stories, but y'all can't tell your stories? Get out of your head. Get out of your head. All right? Akhilesh, let me hear your answer to this, please. Unmute yourself, please, beta. Unmute yourself. Thank you.
जैसे अभी स्वरादी और काजल ने अपने बारे में बताया कि वो कैसे कर रहे थे, तो मैं मेरे बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ कि जब मैं एज अ पार्टिसिपेंट आया था, तो मेरे पास ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें थी जिसमें मुझे कमी थी. मैंने कभी किसी भी बड़े लोगों के साथ मैंने रहा नहीं था. मेरे घर में ये बताया जाता था कि बड़े लोग होते हैं वो जल्दी बात नहीं करते, मगर ये सारी प्रॉब्लम उन्होंने सॉल्व किया. पहचान में रह के मुझे ये तक पता चला कि जो हमसे ज्यादा अमीर है, अभी मेरे जो घर में जो मेरे माँ बाप के जो विचार होते हैं सबसे अलग होते हैं. हमारे घर में कहा जाता है कि जो जिसके पास ज्यादा पैसा होता है वो कभी छोटे लोगों से बात नहीं करता, कभी किसी की मदद नहीं करता। बट पहचान ने मुझे वो चीज बताया है कि मतलब पहचान का मेन मोटो जो उन्होंने हमें सिखाया है, ब्रिजिंग द गैप। दूसरा, हर साल मैं इनसे क्यों ज्वाइन करता हूँ, क्योंकि हर साल इनकी एक नई कोशिश रहती है, मेकिंग अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ देम सेल्फ, मेकिंग अ बेटर वर्जन ऑफ आवर सेल्फ। वो हर साल मुझ में नई नई चीजें लाती है। मैं हर साल किसी न किसी चीजों में रुक जाता हूँ, कहीं ना कहीं मैं हट जाता हूँ। अभी पिछले साल मेरे में बहुत सारी कमियां थी। मैं हर टाइम पे, जब मेरी स्टडीज थी, तो पहचान के कुछ मेंबर्स थे जिन्होंने मुझे हेल्प किया। भूषण भैया थे, या फिर अभी मैं आगे स्टैंडर्ड जा रहा हूँ, तो नफीसा जिससे मैं कभी बात करता हूँ, तो मुझे वो हर चीज में मदद करते हैं। ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए मुझे पहचान से मदद मैं लेता हूँ, और मैं इसीलिए ज्वाइन करता हूँ। और अभी इस वक्त मैं अखिलेश भैया बना हूँ, और मैं इसलिए ज्वाइन हुआ ताकि जो कुछ बच्चे जो नए आए, मैं उन्हें भी मैं भी भूषण भैया जैसे बन के उनकी मदद कर सकूं। पहचान का एक और मोटो होता है कि नो ब्लेम। अभी हम अभी मैं भी बहुत, जब पार्टिसिपेंट था, जब मैं लीडर बना, तो हर चीज में मैं कुछ ना कुछ ब्लेम करता था। मगर पहचान ने मुझे ऐसी चीजें सिखाई। अब जैसे कि एक होता है टीम बॉन्डिंग। पहले मुझ में इतने गट्स नहीं थे कि मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ काम कर सकूं, मगर अभी पहचान में रह के मैंने बहुत ऐसी सारी चीजें की जिससे मैं टीम बॉन्डिंग सीखा हूँ। अभी मेरे में इतनी सारी कमियां थी कि जब मैं स्टेज में जाता था तो मुझे डर लगता था। जब मैं पार्टिसिपेंट था, तब जब मैं जीता तो मुझे कुछ ऐसा नहीं लगा कि मतलब मैंने कुछ किया है। बट जब मैं प्रयास राम के सामने गया, पहचान में गया, पहचान के लोगों से मिला, तब मुझे एहसास हुआ कि जो चीजें हमें मिलनी चाहिए वो मुझे आज मिल रही हैं। जो हमें स्कूल में मिलनी चाहिए वो आज मुझे एक पहचान के माध्यम से बहुत अच्छी तरीके से मिल रही है।
Yes,
इसी एक रीजन की वजह से मैं पहचान
well,
ज्वाइन कर रहा
well
हूँ।
done, Akhilesh. Lots of specifics you've given. Certain places, if you will allow me to give you just a little bit of feedback. So when you say na, now I am Akhilesh Bhaiya, now I'm Akhilesh Bhaiya, that's a really powerful point that you're trying to make. So in English, now you're going to have to translate this into Hindi and how you put it across in Hindi, but in English, the way I hear that is, today I have got an opportunity to be somebody's role model. Never in my life did I think I was going to amount, sorry, children. Never in my life did I think I was going to become something. Now, not only have I become something, I've become somebody's role model. Making sense what I'm trying to say, Akhilesh? Yes. So that point has to come across. Swara, if Akhilesh forgets to make that point, because sometimes Akhilesh gets caught up in speaking, then it is perfectly okay for you to, once he's done speaking, is to finish that point for him, or to even say to him, Akhilesh, weren't you saying something the other day when we were practicing that you never thought you would even amount to anything, but today now you get to be somebody's role model? So, Swara, you're going to have to be the sort of one who pulls it together should one of them forget a salient point that needs to come across. So, Keisha, this needs to be a salient point. Now, when this answer is going on, if you see that Akhilesh has missed it, you see that Swara didn't pick up on it, then instantly that message should go to Swara, so that she can tie it together, right? Because this becomes a salient point. The other thing that you said, Akhilesh, no blame. Also a very good point, Akhilesh, that you said. And I think you should stress on this a little more, in that from the time when we are growing up only, we are taught to blame everybody. उसने ये नहीं किया, उन्होंने ये किताब नहीं दिए, सिस्टम ने पेंसिल नहीं दिए, टीचर सिखाती नहीं है, BMC ने पानी नहीं छोड़ा. We are taught from a young age only, we hear this around us, that this one is responsible for my loss, that one is responsible for my lack. And at Pehchan, we learn that no one is to blame. We are responsible for our own lives. And that has changed how I look at when I failed my year, or that has changed how I look at what my success should look like. Because I'm no longer in the mindset of being a victim. Swara, the word is victim. So I don't know what the word is in Hindi for that, but that is Nafisa is no longer a victim. Kajal is no longer a victim. Akhilesh is no longer a victim. Because they know that they control their destinies. And that's a superpower to give a child. When a child realizes that their future is in their hands, based on the amount of hard work they do, based on the amount of people they reach out to. Akhilesh, you got it? So these 2 points need to come across. Nafisa, Kajal and Akhilesh, I don't want you all to say नई चीजें, कई चीजें, unless you're going to tell me which नई चीजें, and unless you're going to tell me which कई चीजें. Don't just say बहुत सारी चीजें. Dude, thank you very much for बहुत सारी चीजें. We know that. But what are the बहुत सारी चीजें? Got it? All right. So I highly am recommending that once this coaching is over today, whoever your partners are for your answers, that just the 3 of you or just the 2 of you or just you'll get together and see your flow, so that you on the call also, much of it is mitigated. It's like, so for this question, Swara, Kajal, Akhilesh should get on a call. You all should test out your dialogues. You should see your flow. Then there are some questions just Swara and Nafisa are doing. So just Swara and Nafisa need to get together. And you don't need Zoom calls for that. You can do it straight on a WhatsApp video call. And the more you practice picking up from one another, the better the interview will go. It's just a fact. All right. All right. So that's your feedback on set 2, question 1. Yes, Swara.
I want to ask, how am I supposed to then bounce it off to Akhilesh or Kajal, whoever is going to follow me? Like once I'm done, should I say that now Kajal can take forward, or should I hold and Kajal will automatically take forward herself?
Kajal, would you like to add to that? And then when Kajal finishes, Akhilesh, weren't you saying something about this? Rocket science, nothing idea. Okay. So that way the interviewer also knows the answer is not finished and she's getting a couple of perspectives on it.
Yes, thank you.
Most welcome. Okay, so that question ka answer needs to be practiced. Now, Keisha Mohammed, you and I don't need to be on these practice calls. Let them practice, let them get their vibe together. And then when we come daily for our coaching calls, we'll be able to tell how they're syncing together, okay? Question 2 in set 2. I think I did the questions ulta. We are first going to say question 2 in set 2 and then question 1 in set 2. Who's answering question 2 in set 2?
Akhilesh.
Akhilesh. Akhilesh, please answer. पहचान प्रोग्राम में क्या होता है? आप लोग क्या करते हैं? अगर तूने एक भी बार गेम्स बोला ना, हाँ बोल. Unmute, darling. Unmute, darling.
Ma'am, I have just practiced only 3 questions. I even don't know I had question 2.
Acha, you didn't know you had question 2.
Yeah, I just know question 3, 5 and 1.
3, 5 and 1. So, but question 2 was definitely assigned to Akhilesh in set 2.
Yes, we were discussing Akhilesh or Kajal because Akhilesh was speaking about gender sensitization, sex education, all of these things, and then Kajal also added on to those points yesterday.
So we didn't decide, is it? Maybe that's why Akhilesh doesn't know. Kajal, which questions were assigned to you, please?
I have question 3 and 5.
In set 1.
Yes.
Okay, so can
What?
yes,
Question
yes.
3 is mine. Question 3 is mine. Question 3 is mine. Set 1, question 3.
I think
Question 2 and 5.
question 2.
In my list, there are 3 questions in Kajal's names.
Okay, what are the 3 questions in Kajal's
There
name?
is one that says निजी स्तर पर आप क्या कर सकते हैं, the one that we just answered.
Uh-huh.
On an individual level to join. The other one is पहचान से हमें क्या हासिल करना है, what is our final goal. And there is जो ये देख सकते हैं वो क्या कर सकते हैं अपने घर से, where Kajal is going to say how their parents can help.
Yes, yes. Okay. Nafisa, which ones are yours, please?
Set 1 question number 1 and set 1 question number 4.
Okay, so let Nafisa take set 2 question number 2. Let Nafisa take set 2 question number 2. Program पहचान program में क्या होता है? So like everything that we said yesterday, if you go back and see the video from yesterday that's been uploaded, I've given everything as a reminder. What banking, everything is there. So let Nafisa do that. So that's really great, right? So Nafisa kicks us off because set 2 ka question 2 will be the first question the interviewer will ask. Kisha, we can get these questions regrouped and posted on the group again with who's responsible.
In order, please.
Of course, in order only. She'll send it in order only.
Ma'am, I have to start from the interviews of the participant, then what we do in those 6 days.
No.
And this year,
just program, college prep program में क्या होता है? So Nafisa, thank you for asking the clarification question. Thank you for asking that because there's a lot that happens in Pehchan. And all these years, we've only been focusing on the 1 week. However, this year, as we have seen, there is more than happens than just the 1 week, right? So in that, we start with a college prep week. Okay? And then we go to like summer camp, but this year we weren't able to hold the summer camp. Therefore, we are doing Pehchan 2.0, right? Then we have English classes, which Rashna had already started. Before lockdown, we were doing English classes. So the English classes. And then the leadership camps. Like now during lockdown, this would be considered a leadership session. But once lockdown is open, we will have a 3-day leadership camp. Remember I talked to you about it also? Yes. So you would talk about all these aspects, but you'll focus most on the college prep week, the activities that we do during the college prep week. Okay, Nafisa? So Akisha, just so that we are all on the same page, in set 2, question 2 will be the first question. In set 2, question 1 will be the second question. Set 2, question 2 will be Nafisa. Set 2, question 1 will be Swara, over to Kajal, over to Akhilesh. All right, and then we go to set 1 in order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So now, and set 1, question 1 is Swara and Nafisa. Swara kicks us off, Nafisa finishes. So girls, let's answer that. India में पहचान जैसे program की ज़रूरत क्यों है?
हमारे यहाँ एक तरफ प्राइवेट स्कूल के बच्चे हैं. इन स्कूलों में पब्लिक स्पीकिंग, डिबेट्स, एलोक्यूशन, रेसिटेशन ऐसे कई अलग अलग तरह के इवेंट्स होते हैं जिससे उन्हें कॉन्फिडेंस मिलता है. इसके अलावा डांसिंग, सिंगिंग जैसे इवेंट्स होते हैं जहां वो अपना टैलेंट शोकेस कर सकते हैं. इन इंटर स्कूल और इंट्रा स्कूल इवेंट्स के द्वारा उन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलते हैं और एक्सपोजर्स मिलते हैं बाहर के लोगों को अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का, अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करने का, टीम बिल्डिंग और टीम बॉन्डिंग एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करने के. बट दूसरी ओर हमारे पब्लिक स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसे कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज नहीं मिलते, ऐसे कोई मौके नहीं मिलते. और फिर हम इन पब्लिक स्कूल और प्राइवेट स्कूल के स्टूडेंट्स को एक कॉलेज के क्लासरूम में रखते हैं और एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो साथ में कम्पीट करें. जब उनके अपॉर्चुनिटीज एक साथ नहीं होंगे तो वो साथ में कम्पीट कैसे करेंगे? इसीलिए हम बिलीव करते हैं कि पहचान प्रोग्राम की जरूरत है ताकि हमारे पब्लिक स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स को भी वो अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले जो एक प्राइवेट स्कूल स्टूडेंट को मिलती है.
Well done, Swara. Now, no. Finish it by sending it over to Nafisa.
So that is what I had to say. Nafisa, would you like to add something to this, please?
Yes, thank you, Swara. और साथ ही जब वो पब्लिक स्कूल के बच्चे जब कॉलेज में जाते हैं तो उन्हें नहीं पता होता है कि नोटिस बोर्ड कैसे रीड करना है. टीचर्स को कैसे अप्रोच करना है, उनके क्लासमेट्स को कैसे अप्रोच करना है। और जैसे कि अभी स्वरा ने कहा कि हम उनसे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि वो उनके साथ compete करें, तो ये उनके लिए बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है कि वो उनके साथ compete करें और अपनी कॉलेज फिनिश कर पाए। साथ ही एक पब्लिक स्कूल बहुत सारे अलग अलग वर्नाक्युलर मीडियम से होती है, जैसे कि हिंदी मीडियम, इंग्लिश मीडियम, मराठी मीडियम, कनाडा मीडियम। तो जब वो लोग इंग्लिश मीडियम कॉलेज में जाते हैं तो सबसे बड़ी उनके लिए डिफिकल्टी होती है कि वो इंग्लिश मीडियम कॉलेज में कैसे अपने आप कैसे इंग्लिश मीडियम में पढ़ें। और ये सबसे बड़ी उनके लिए समस्या होती है, जिसकी वजह से वो अपनी कॉलेज कंप्लीट नहीं कर पाते हैं।
Yes, well done, Nafisa, Swara, really well tag teamed. Nafisa, only can you add one more point is young people
ma'am.
need friends, and in college it's hard to make friends when I don't speak the language, when I don't match. matlab, I look different, I match differently. So when it's hard to make friends and it's hard to talk to teachers and it's hard to understand the subject, eventually I'll drop out if I keep failing, if I don't have the support network. So just that one extra point needs to come across. But well done, Swara. Well handed it. You handed it over to Nafisa. Well, Nafisa said thank you and accepted the handover well. So well done. Really well done. Okay. All right. Question 2. Pehchan se aap. That's Kajal. Akisha, that's Kajal's question. Entirely. It's not a shared question. पहचान से आपको क्या हासिल करना है, काजल?
पहचान से हमें काफी कुछ हासिल करना है। जैसे देखा जाए तो मुंबई में अभी 41% लोग स्लम एरिया में रहते हैं। अभी भी 20 करोड़ की जो पॉपुलेशन है इंडिया की, वो भूखे पेट ही सो जाती है। अभी भी काफी बच्चे स्कूल से ड्रॉप आउट होते हैं, 60% बच्चे ड्रॉप आउट हो जाते हैं। हम काफी कुछ सुनते रहते हैं करप्शन, पोल्यूशन, पॉपुलेशन के बारे में, और हमें पता है कि जनरेशन से ये गरीबी का चक्र भी, पॉवर्टी ऑफ साइकिल भी चला आ रहा है। इन सारे मुद्दों को ध्यान में रखकर पहचान ऐसे कॉमन रूट कॉज पर काम करता है और बिलीव करता है कि इससे ये सारे प्रॉब्लम का हल निकाला जा सकता है। और हम मानते हैं कि ये सारे प्रॉब्लम सिर्फ एजुकेशन से ही सॉल्व हो सकते हैं। लेकिन आधे से ज्यादा जो बच्चे हैं उन्हें ये मौके मिलते ही नहीं हैं और कई बच्चों को काफी अड़चने आती हैं। जैसे स्वरा और नफीसा दीदी ने बताया कि म्युनिसिपल स्कूल और पब्लिक स्कूल में क्या प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं। आप सोचिए, अगर हमारे देश के एजुकेशन सिस्टम जो अभी है, उसके बावजूद हमारा भारत देश कैसे चल रहा है और कहाँ तक है। अगर हम सारे यूथ को सही तरीके से यूटिलाइज करें और एजुकेशन बेस काफी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाए, तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि हम अपने भारत देश को कहाँ तक लेकर जा सकेंगे।
Yes, we can't see you clearly, so I don't know the answer is finished. So, Kajal, this answer is way better, way better. It's well thought out. It has facts and figures. You've given examples. It's really well written. Okay, I want you to add at least 2 Pehchan related examples. So since we have Nafisa on the interview, you can use Nafisa as an example, such as Nafisa doing science, Nafisa wanting to become a researcher. Now, remember that example that I was saying to you? Now, I don't know how to write it in Hindi, but essentially something like based on your statistics, at least 5 children are not getting that full opportunity. Did you say 60% or did you say 41% are not finishing? 61, 41%. So that's roughly 4 kids out of 10 who are not getting the opportunity, right? Now, if Nafisa now is one of those 4 who's getting that opportunity, who's rising, and now she's going to be a researcher who's well-trained, well-spoken, well-written, who's to say she can't discover a cure to something the world has been trying to figure out? But by not giving her a chance, we eliminate our chance from growing by 40%. We eliminate our chance of finding solutions to problems by 40%. We eliminate our chance of successfully coming out of corruption by 40%. And if you say it like this now, it becomes like, oh my God, that goes down 40%, that goes down 40%, that goes down 40%. It's like, maybe 40% is worth it, right? So I think you need to tie it into you've given all amazing information. Now give one real life example that will tie it together, and then end with like this 40%, 40%, 40% sort of thing in 3 examples, and you're done, right? Cool. Well done, Kajal. Well done, well presented, well written, well researched, good tone, well said also. So well done with this one. थर्ड वन, अभी के गंभीर हालतों में कौन से प्रॉब्लम ज्यादा हो गए हैं? दैट्स अखिलेश, राइट? डन. गो अहेड अखिलेश, प्लीज गो फॉर इट.
तो अभी काजल दीदी ने बताया कि अभी के हालातों में एजुकेशन हमें आगे लेके जा सकता है. अभी के लॉकडाउन के अलावा में हमारे एरिया में जो कनेक्शन सिग्नल्स है नेटवर्क वो ठीक ठाक नहीं, जिसकी वजह से मैं मेरा सेशन अटेंड नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. हमारे घर में एक ही फोन है. अगर पापा काम पर जाते हैं तो मैं मेरा सेशन अटेंड नहीं कर सकता. हमारे घर में एक ही चार्जिंग पॉइंट है. अगर मम्मी मिक्सर का यूज करती है या फिर कोई पंखे का इस्तेमाल कर रहा है जो प्लग पे चलता है, तो मेरा फोन चार्ज नहीं कर सकता. साथ ही साथ अगर हमारे घर में, हमारे पूरे घर में एक ही फोन है जो सब लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं. अगर हमारे पास पैसे हैं खाने के लिए, तो मैं उसे खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करूंगा या फिर डेटा रिचार्ज करने के लिए. अगर हमारे घर में छोटे बच्चे हैं तो हम खाने के लिए इस्तेमाल करेंगे ना. तो हम इस हिसाब से तो मैं मेरा एजुकेशन कैसे कंप्लीट कर सकता हूँ? हमारे घर में जो फोन है वो हमारे अच्छे फोन नहीं है. अगर मुझे जिस ऐप की जरूरत है, जिस प्रोग्राम की जरूरत है, मैं उसे अपने फोन में नहीं रख सकता क्योंकि उसका मेमोरी ठीक नहीं है. हमारे एरिया में, हमारे बस्ती में कुछ लोगों के पास अच्छे फोन हैं मगर वो उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. मगर जिसके पास नहीं है वो एजुकेशन नहीं ले पा रहा है. ये सबसे बड़ी समस्या है. ये समस्या एक अलग बात है. दूसरी समस्या है पानी की समस्या, लाइट की समस्या, बीमारी की समस्या. अगर हमें बाहर जाना है, हमारे घर के पास में शौचालय नहीं है, मगर फिर भी हमें हमारे रिस्क लेना पड़ रहा है, हमें घर के बाहर जाना पड़ रहा है. हमें पता है ये बीमारी बहुत ही डेंजरस है, मगर हमें हमारे शौचालय जाने से तो हम रुक नहीं सकते ना. ये भी हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है.
Well done, Akhilesh. I think we can add a little more to that. Salaries not being paid.
So,
बोल.
ma'am, I've made that part for the next question 5 wala part. So it should not be similar to question 3. I just...
No, you say it here. Don't worry about it. You say the paying you don't have to say pay your staff over here. You have to say because our parents are not getting paid, we don't have the money for ration. And the ration we are receiving, remember you said yesterday the vegetables are coming dirty, but then our water is also coming dirty. So over here you talk like that because our parents are not getting paid, there's not enough income in the household, we have to stand in line to get ration. Again, those lines are not appropriately socially distanced for us to get that. See, I listen when y'all talk. I'm not living there, but I know these things because y'all have been telling me these things, right? Also, the dirty water thing that you mentioned, standing in line for water, not just the bathroom. Then yesterday your answer was much more powerful than today. You said now you get 500 rupees, and the 500 rupees goes into the washroom only. सारे points you have not said today. Everything that you said yesterday तूने बोला ही नहीं है आज. तो तू कल का वीडियो देख एक बार कि तूने क्या क्या बोला था, फिर वो वीडियो और ये आज का आंसर के साथ मिला के ये आंसर बना. Okay. Also, the other point in terms of you had only said कि वो एरिया में खाना भी बनाना है, सोना भी है, पढ़ाई भी करना है. तो मतलब आवाज इतनी है तो कहाँ से पढ़ाई कर सके, कैसे पढ़ाई कर सके? तो तेरा आंसर थोड़ा और, it needs more substance, I feel. Also, Kajal's point of yesterday has not adequately been covered. You've mentioned it, but you've glazed over it. Where Kajal said there are some people who have very expensive phones, and you said उन लोग को आता नहीं है use करने के लिए, or something like that. So that to me now I'm talking from this side of the bridge, right? If you tell me that yes, he has a 30,000 rupee phone and he doesn't know how to use it, that doesn't make me feel sympathetic in any way, right? But if you tell me something like there is peer pressure, there is whatever, so they buy these phones, or they tell their parents that for them to compete in school more effectively, so the parents may take out a loan, or the parents may do what they need to do and get him this phone. But the fact remains is there's not enough education that they have received on how to best use these phones. So they roam around with these phones, but the lack of exposure, lack of education doesn't even allow them to maximize the use of these phones. Right? You have this is a powerful question. You got to get the answer out powerfully. Now your tone is perfect, but get the content correct. So I'll upload this video also after our call. So you go back and you review yesterday's and then today's and make your answer. Okay? But well done, Akhilesh. I'm really proud of you. You've really put effort into this and it shows. It really shows. क्वेश्चन 4, आपको क्या लगता है ये अंतर के लिए कौन जिम्मेदार है? दैट्स नफीसा, राइट?
यस मैम.
Yep, go ahead, Nafisa. Powerful, huh? Seriously. Okay, go.
कई सालों पहले जिस शख्स ने पहली बार इस अंतर को देखा था पर इसके लिए कुछ भी नहीं किया, ये प्रॉब्लम वहां से शुरू होती है. उसके बाद कई सालों से हम इस गैप को देखते आ रहे हैं पर इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. ये गैप रोज बढ़ता जा रहा है. उसकी वजह से ये गैप इतना बड़ा हो गया है कि अब हम इसे देख भी नहीं सकते हैं. हमें लगता है कि ये प्रॉब्लम वहीं से शुरू होती है और इस अंतर के लिए हम जिम्मेदार हैं. और साथ ही हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एक नो ब्लेम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है. हम किसी को भी दोषी मानने से बेहतर उस प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन निकालने में बिलीव रखते हैं. इसलिए हम किसी को ब्लेम ना करते हुए उसका सलूशन निकाल रहे हैं.
Okay, I think Nafisa, I think Swara made the point a little more effectively yesterday, the first part. So Swara, in this question, that first part, can you still say? And then Nafisa, you pick up where, in addition to this, like our organization is a no blame organization. So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
Swara Nafisa combination is turning out to be a super powerful combination. So yeah, she's giving you a high five, Nafisa. So why don't you all do that, Swara? So you all can practice question 1 also, and you all can practice question 4 also. Okay?
ma'am.
I have a question, please.
Yes, please.
In this answer, are we specifically not saying anything about the government or anything?
Yes.
So no, as in, I'm not saying we blame them, but like we're not mentioning a line like, you know, the usual thing would be to blame the government or to blame the schools.
Yes, yes, we should. We can say that.
And we don't want to do that because it's not just them. It's everybody involved that is created. I think we should say it like that.
So I'm with you, Keisha, until the latter part of your sentence. In that we don't want to do that.
Yes.
Because we don't want to do that because the reason in my head for the because and what you said are slightly different. We don't want to do that because then it deflects from finding the solution and it removes the responsibility that we have on ourselves to find the solution. Because when you point a finger, you sort of remove the responsibility from yourself to do anything about it. But when you have to assume the responsibility for it, then you might consider how you're going to solve the problem. For example, if I'm the owner of a business and my business is going under, and you're the employee in the business and the business is going under, the way I will own and work towards the solution may be very different from the way you work towards the solution. Because it's mine. I did it. I'm responsible for it. For an employee, they may think, let me do my best, but if this fails, I'll go find another job. So when we blame, that is It's a huge thing, right? I mean, look at what's happening about this migrant worker thing on the news just now. There is or the China India thing. Everybody, every news station is engaged in let's debate now, let's debate now, let's debate now. And in all this debating, no one is accepting responsibility. Therefore, it's sort of like this, right? There could be 4 heads solving the problem, putting it together and coming together. But therefore, one human being has to only use what thought process he has and try to solve the problem. No blame is for many reasons. But the biggest reason we are no blame is so that we can accept responsibility for what we've done and therefore step into the solution.
I think that's what we should mention. Like, you know, the norm is to blame or to find blame or to find the reason and then assign them. But I think, you know, we should specify when we're saying no blame that we want to assume responsibility for this gap and then work towards it. But I feel like we should mention that first bit about we don't want to do what would usually be done.
Great, Keisha. So Swara, Nafisa, did you all get that? And refer to the videos, right? Because word for word also you all can get some of this stuff that needs to be there. Like, you know, like just now everybody is trying to sermonize about not paying their house help. They haven't come to work, or we are doing their work. Why should we pay them? But 8 months down the line, 1 year down the line, when the economy is suffering because a lion's share of the economy doesn't have the money to put into buying things, into buying food, into moving the economy, then people will sit and start pointing, you did this, you did this. Arey, pan amnati karo nahi, tam loko ne jab karvanu chete. Afterwards, then you'll sit and say, this government didn't do this and that government did that. That's why this had happened. No, but at your level, you do what you're supposed to do now before you start pointing fingers everywhere. Okay. Question 5. That's the question we're all trying to get to through this interview. Who's on question 5? Some 3 of you or 4 of you are on it, right? Okay. स्वरा, जो ये देख रहे हैं वो क्या कर सकते हैं आपसे जुड़ने के लिए?
तो जैसे अभी नफीसा ने कहा, हम बिलीव करते हैं कि ये प्रॉब्लम हमसे शुरू हुई है, तो हम ही इस प्रॉब्लम का सलूशन बन सकते हैं. आप अलग अलग स्तरों पर हमसे जुड़ सकते हैं और इस चैलेंज को सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. अगर आप एक इंडिविजुअल है तो आप निजी स्तर पर हमारे साथ हमारे मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम में इन्वॉल्व हो सकते हैं. आप एक मेंटर बन सकते हैं और हम आपको एक स्टूडेंट अलॉट करेंगे. आपको हफ्ते में एक बार अपने स्टूडेंट को फोन करना है और इंश्योर करना है कि उनके एंड पर सब ठीक है और हमें रिपोर्ट करना है. इस छोटे से कंट्रीब्यूशन से आप उस स्टूडेंट के लाइफ में एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव ला सकते हैं. अगर आप एक बिजनेस है तो आप एज अ बिजनेस हमें सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं. आप ऑफिस आवर्स के बाद अपना बिजनेस स्पेस हमारे स्टूडेंट्स को एज अ स्टडी सेंटर यूज करने के लिए दे सकते हैं. आप अपने ऑफिस का डेजिग्नेटेड वाईफाई स्पेस भी स्टूडेंट्स को दे सकते हैं, जिसके द्वारा वो अपने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस अटेंड कर सके. आप अपने ऑफिस के एम्प्लॉयज को एज वॉलंटियर्स पहचान प्रोग्राम में हेल्प करने के लिए भेज सकते हैं और ये ध्यान रख सकते हैं कि आप उनकी सैलरीज इस दौरान ना काटें. आप एक और चीज कर सकते हैं जो है कि जब हमारे स्टूडेंट्स एक एलिजिबल एज पर पहुंच जाए तब आप अपने बिजनेस में उन्हें इंटर्नशिप दे सकते हैं, जिससे उन्हें मौके मिले और उन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिले अपने आप के साथ बराबरी करने की और अपने लेवल को ऊपर लाने की. काजल, do you want to add something to this, please?
Yes, Swara. Thank you so much.
No Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Because that was social media, so I thought I'd say that at the end. Should I say it now only?
I think so, because you don't know. I think you should start with it and then go into your answer the way you've just gone into it.
Okay.
Yeah. And one of the things they can do if they can't do any of this is they can at least share information about the work that we're doing. Right? Okay, Kajal, your part of this answer, please.
Yes, Swara, thank you so much. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि सिर्फ प्रिविलेज लोग ही ये सारे काम करें. जो डिफरेंटली प्रिविलेज है उन्होंने भी इस प्रॉब्लम को यहाँ तक पहुँचाने में बराबरी का साथ दिया है, तो सोल्यूशन में भी बराबरी का साथ देना है. आप लोग अपने बच्चों को पूरी तरीके से सपोर्ट कीजिए पढ़ाई में। आप लोग घर में शांत रहिए, जब बच्चा कोई पढ़ रहा है तो टीवी का वॉल्यूम कम करके देखिए, या तो बेटर है कि बंद कर दीजिए। आप प्लीज बच्चों की शादी जल्दी मत करवाइए। आप बच्चों की शादी 18-17 साल की उम्र में करवाते हैं, उससे बच्चा फिजिकली डेवलप नहीं होता, इमोशनली उस पर काफी ज्यादा प्रभाव आता है। जो लड़के होते हैं उनपे काफी सारे इश्यूज आ जाते हैं, उन्हें घर संभालना होता है, अपनी खुद की फैमिली हो जाती है और वो आगे बिल्कुल नहीं पढ़ पाते हैं। जो लड़कियां होती है उनके ऊपर भी प्रेशर आ जाता है काफी, कि उन्हें अभी उनसे बच्चे एक्सपेक्ट करने लगते हैं कि अभी आप बच्चे एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, तो लड़कियों पे भी काफी सारी घर की जिम्मेदारी आ जाती है, जो बिल्कुल भी सही नहीं है। आप बच्चों को न्यूट्रिशन से ज्यादा ध्यान रखिए ताकि वो जल्दी बीमार ना पड़े और कॉलेज और स्कूल काफी अच्छे तरीके से अटेंड कर सके। आप अपने बच्चों को समझिए कि वो क्या कह रहे हैं, उन्हें क्या तकलीफ है। अगर आप उनकी तकलीफें नहीं सॉल्व कर पा रहे हैं तो आप किसी ऐसे आदमी से बात कीजिए जो सच में उनकी तकलीफों को समझ सके और उनका समाधान कर सके।
Kajal, this incorporates nothing about don't shunt them off. Like when the father comes, tell them to close their book, move away. We haven't said that, because we are at the end of the day we want a greater focus on education, right? Support them in their education, support them in their dreams. Remember, you only told me all this, but that has not been done.
I said that घर पे आप लोग शांत रहिए और टीवी बंद कर लीजिए वगैरह points.
Bagheera,
In the beginning.
Bagheera makes no sense to me, right? That's like saying kahin, like I learned a lot, but what we learned, I think you need to. Did you look at yesterday's video?
Yes.
Okay, so can you please revisit this part again? This needs to be written a little more tightly, I feel.
So
I accept your points about early marriage. I accept, but I don't think we need to I don't think we need to talk about they don't have the maturity or they're physically not mature to do it. I don't think we need to go into all that. I think we just think, how can you support us? Don't get them married off early. Allow them to complete their education so that they can get a better job, so that they can earn more, so that they can get out of the cycle of poverty. You're taking this in a completely different direction. Our focus is education, the platform of education. So what can you do? What can you do to support that platform? Okay. So this answer needs to be rewritten. Maybe Keisha, you can help her write it or structure it or something so that it comes across. Okay, Akhilesh, your part of this answer, please. Unmute yourself, please.
तो अभी जैसे स्वरा दी और काजल दी ने बताया, तो अभी आप और कुछ भी चीजें कर सकती जिससे जो अनप्रिविलेज्ड पार्टी उन्हें थोड़ी और मदद मिल सके। अभी कुछ एरियाओं में पानी की समस्या चल रही है, तो आपके घर पे जो प्यून है, बाई है या फिर कर्मचारी है, आप उन्हें पानी की सहायता कर सकते हैं। अभी कुछ एरियाओं में राशन बांटा जा रहा है, मगर कुछ ऐसे परिवार भी है ना जिन्हें 2 वक्त का खाना मिला करता था, मगर इस लॉकडाउन में 1 वक्त का खाना नसीब हो रहा है। अभी उनके पास उतने पैसे नहीं है, उनके पास जितने पैसे थे 3 महीने में, वो 3 महीने से किधर काम पे भी नहीं गए, उनके पास पैसे भी नहीं होंगे जिससे वो राशन खरीद सके। तो आप उन्हें राशन देने में मदद कर सकते हैं। अभी जैसे ही लॉकडाउन शुरू होगा, तो अभी जो कुछ अभी जनगणना के हिसाब से पता चला है कि जो प्राइजेस हैं, जो छोटी छोटी जो चीजें हैं, बहुत महंगी हो चुकी है, तो अभी वो सारे राशन खरीद नहीं सकते। तो अगर आप अभी उन्हें आप पगार देने की कोशिश, अभी ये लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ है, तो उन लोग के पास उतने पैसे नहीं होंगे। उन्होंने जो पैसे जमा करके रखे थे, उन्होंने वो राशन जमा करने में, कुछ मेडिकल इमरजेंसीज तथा शौचालय में इस्तेमाल कर चुके हैं। उनके पास अभी भी कुछ पैसे नहीं बचे। लॉकडाउन के बाद उन्हें पैसे की बहुत जरूरत पड़ी है। उन्होंने 3 महीने में कुछ भी नहीं किया। अब जब कुछ लॉकडाउन खुलेगा, उनके जो बच्चे स्कूल में जाएंगे तो उन्हें स्कूल की फीस जमा करनी पड़ेगी, यहाँ तक कॉलेज की फीस जमा करनी पड़ेगी, और जो कि बहुत ज्यादा होगी। अब जैसे सब चीज खुलने के बाद जब उन्हें काम पे जाना होगा तो उन्हें उन्हें बस भाड़ों की भी जरूरत पड़ेगी और काफी अलग अलग एक्सपेंसेस आएंगे, जिस वजह से उन्हें राशन निकालने में तथा बहुत सारी चीजों में उनके मुश्किलें आएंगे। अब जब वो 3 महीने तक घर में थे तब लाइट का बिल और पानी का बिल उन्हें एक साथ भरना पड़ेगा। अभी मेरे एक्सपीरियंस के हिसाब से अभी जहाँ मैं रह रहा हूँ वहाँ पे लाइट का बिल नहीं आया है, मगर मेरे 1 महीने का लाइट का बिल 2,000 रुपए, और सोचिए कि मेरे लाइट का बिल अभी तक नहीं आया है और वो मुझे एक साथ पूरे 4 महीने का भरना है। मगर अब सोचिए कि ऐसे बहुत सारे परिवार होंगे जिन्हें एक साथ पानी का लाइट का बिल भरना पड़ेगा और अलग पानी का बिल भी भरना पड़ेगा। अगर आप उन्हें सैलरी देंगे तो कहाँ से ये सब चीजें मैनेज करेंगे? राशन का मैनेज, अब राशन का तो छोड़ दीजिए, मगर लाइट का बिल कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? अब समझिए कि मेरे डैड की सैलरी 10,000 रुपए है मेरे पूरे फैमिली की, और अभी जो लाइट का बिल आने वाला है वो तकरीबन 12,000 का होगा, क्योंकि हम लोगों ने 4 महीने से लाइट का बिल नहीं भरा, तो कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? आप तो आप उनका पूरा वेतन दे और उनकी पूरी पगार भरे, ताकि वो जो थोड़े थोड़े करके वो पूरी राशन और पूरी जो लाइट की समस्या है वो पूरी कर सकें।
I don't have anything to add to that. Wasn't that really well said and all the points came across? Akhilesh, my only challenge with you is inconsistency. You will do really well today, and then tomorrow I'll ask you the same question and you'll give me a completely different answer.
No, I've written everything.
You've written
I saw the video. Yesterday I also write the video, but I don't know the proper structure. Yeah.
written. The past tense of to write is written. I have written, not written.
I written.
Or not
I
written, sorry, written. Go ahead.
I written the yesterday's answer also, but I written.
I have written. I have written.
I have written yesterday's answer also, but I don't know the proper structure how to, and I don't know how to frame. And I saw the saw yesterday's session also, and I make the
Okay.
I
So
framed the.
I'm going to make teams just now to help get this together. So Keisha is going to help Kajal put that answer together. Mohammed help Akhilesh put all his points together. Okay. He has all the points. I think he just wants to know what to say first, what to say second, and structure it. Swara and Nafisa, y'all are the team anyway that y'all have to work. So Swara, even when first y'all finalize your content, your content is pretty finalized. Who's saying what? Y'all are just crisping it up. Wherever Nafisa has her own answer also, but I want you to teach Nafisa that, like when you make a specific point, you lean into the camera, Swara, then you lean back, you use your hands. So I want you to teach Nafisa those nuances so that she can make her points far more effectively, right? So that so those nuances, now we don't have to teach Kajal and Akhilesh that, they already know that. So but Nafisa, it's like all of you have the alag person's strength. So Nafisa has her content and she's getting it right and she's getting it, but now delivery has to come across, right? So Swara, Nafisa become a team, Keisha, Kajal become a team, Mohammad, Akhilesh become a team. This is youth for youth. Look, this is proof. We are youth for youth. We have a lot of work yet to do. The work is nowhere near finished. These are our main questions. Audience is going to give you questions. And we are not going to be able to practice the answers to those questions. So how you all are going to bounce off each other, how you are going to answer those questions, we still have to practice that. So my suggestion is we come back together tomorrow afternoon to crisp up the answers to these 7 questions. Because the program is on Saturday. The program is on Saturday at 10 p.m. And the audience, thanks to Mohammed, is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. So we started out with only one stream wala platform, Hunar. Now we have gone to their Facebook plus our Facebook, their Insta plus our Insta, plus this other platform, plus YouTube. So the audience has become bigger. All right. So delivery needs to be a little stronger. All right. Now, Mohammed Kisha, I'm not preparing y'all, but if someone's signal is not working, this is now somebody has to be ready to step in wherever they need to step in. All right. So I see you back here. Can we do earlier in the afternoons? Can we do like 2 p.m. tomorrow?
What time does your rotary get over?
1:30. 1:30 because our meetings are at 12 now.
Okay.
So 12 to 1, sometimes if the speaker is taking additional questions, the 1:15, 1:20 thai jai. Does 2 p.m. works for her? Nafisa, Kajal, Akhilesh?
Yes.
Akhilesh, Mohammed, okay, 2 p.m. works. Okay, so 2 p.m. it is tomorrow. All right, anything else anyone wants to say? Don't be so serious. This is an amazing opportunity the project has received. This is an amazing opportunity the project has received. All right, great. So I'm just gonna upload the very raw recording. I don't know what I've even said in the beginning, straight up, okay? Chalo, go back and see yesterday's recording. It has a lot of good information for some answers. All right, see you all tomorrow at 2.
We all in 45 minutes, everybody.
Why 45 minutes में सोच है?
7 p.m.
अच्छा, Little Women no training. I have not read all those pages. Okay, I have 45 minutes to sit and read. Chalo.
Ma'am, it's easy.
Sorry?
It's easy.
Whatever we have never read in our textbook. It is just the first pages which we never read.
What, sorry, Mohammed, you've never read it.
Nah,
Y'all gave exams from it.
No, the first pages, that guidance pages, which we never read, which we jumped to the chapter.
That is the problem now with our education system. I'm not wasting any time. I have to read all these pages, otherwise Rashna will...
Also, she asked you to tell everybody to read.
Acha, in my way.
Yes.
I am reading all these messages, and then somewhere in my head I'm thinking I've done what is required of me.
What you did, but that's why I mentioned it yesterday. Then Rakshita has mentioned it. I feel you should mention it once more. That guys, you have 45 minutes. Please make sure you read it, just in case.
It's sort of like, Swara, your videos are perfect that you sent me. I have no feedback in terms of that. The way you've presented the Cherry Wala poem is great, but it's boring. Your tone is right. Your concept is right, that we'll have the sentence here, the word will come out. All that is great. But I wouldn't watch a video where someone was just telling me about the poem. Would you? So I had no feedback as such. And so then I do this massively amazing thing in my brain. All right, feedback is done. Tick, and I move on. Then I don't ever go back. And then Swara says, ma'am, I'm waiting for feedback on this.
I think it will be more interesting if we do a little mixture of English and Hindi through the...
Yes, please.
So who's saying no?
No, I'm just saying.
Listen, we are our own boss. We can do it how we want to do it. We are not answerable to anybody. Make it creative. Make it like a 10th standard kid who's about to enter college. Is like, dude, I'm going to learn about cherries. All right. Or there's a poem about cherries. Like, I mean, like, look how, when I say that, look at Akhilesh's face when I say that.
I think we almost need, for lack of a better word, a gimmick along with just the chapter or just the poem that draws people to it. I don't know what it can be, but something with it.
Something like create gestures with the poem, get them to do it with you when you're reading the poem. I don't know, but it needs to get like 100% more creative. Swara, we know your tone is right. We know your presentation is right. We know you've mastered that. We know that the screen loves you. We know that people who listen to you love you. We know that they get what you are trying to say. But now that connect in teaching an online class has to come across. So that little bit of that, like we're going to talk about cherries today. Do you know what a cherry is? Here's a cherry and then dangle a cherry. Look at Akhilesh's face. He wants to know more about the cherry. Tell me, Akhilesh, do you want to know more about the cherry? Na kahin na kaun jaise dikh raha tu amna to. So it's like that. Like we're going to talk about cherries. Maybe you have a bunch of cherries in your hand. I don't know. And do you know that cherries? Sorry?
Not cherry season nathi.
हाँ तो बनाओ ने draw करो ने cherries પછી cut करो ने एम करो cherries. And you know, do you know?
Maybe you can dress up like a tree.
No, don't dress up like a tree. Now this is not kindergarten, please.
That will be for Swara.
Look how excited Akhilesh got to the prospect of dressing like a tree. Maybe Swara should dress like a tree then. I don't know.
I will go and
But I mean, then you say, you know, these cherries grow on a tree, and today's poem is about the cherries and the tree and the cherry tree. I mean, kai to exciting karo yaar tam log ko. Pachi kaun sa matlab cherry tree no poem? Akhilesh will be the cherry tree. We'll dress him up. Chalo.
The tree.
Look at Mohammed. Go Swara, the tree.
Now we don't have too much time to read the chapter.
I know I have to read and I have to put the message. Keisha, you're very bad. You should have reminded me that I was supposed to put the message. I would not get upset with me.
Honestly, I posted that guys read it thinking that when you see it, you will also repeat it. But then I forgot.
Don't give me so much credit. Please don't give me so much credit. And not that Rashna would get upset with me. She's very sweet. She very lovingly, she says, I know you're very busy. Sometimes I wonder how I'm not so busy, but I'm glad she thinks I'm busy. Anyway, I'm going now. I have to read if I know what's good for me. Chalo, bye. See you tomorrow.
Yes. Now.
Now.